Tired of staring at boring white apartment walls? Imagine transforming your space in just one weekend without a single nail hole or risking your security deposit. Welcome back, DIY lovers. Today, I'm showing you how to create stunning weekend accent walls that are 100% damage-free. These renter-friendly hacks will make your apartment feel personalized, stylish, and completely unique. Definition: an accent wall is one wall in a room designed to stand out with color, pattern, or texture. Instead of painting the whole room, you focus on just one wall to create impact. Why importance? Accent walls instantly upgrade your space, add personality, and create a focal point without the time, cost, or mess of a full renovation. Plus, they're the perfect solution for renters who want a custom look without permanent changes. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Choose your wall. Pick the one that naturally draws attention, like behind your bed or sofa. 2. Select your style. Peel and stick wallpaper, removable wall decals, or even fabric panels. 3. Measure your wall to know exactly how much material you'll need. 4. Clean the wall surface so everything adheres smoothly. 5. Apply your chosen material carefully from top to bottom, smoothing out air bubbles as you go. 6. Step back and admire your new feature wall. Tools explained. Measuring tape for accurate sizing. Level for straight application. Utility knife or scissors for trimming edges. Smoothing tool or even a credit card to press down wallpaper or decals. Workflow. Start with planning and measuring. Prep the wall by wiping it down. Apply your materials section by section, always aligning carefully. Finish with trimming edges and pressing out bubbles. Finally, add furniture and decor to highlight your new wall. Quick tips: always order 10% extra material in case of mistakes. Use lighter patterns for small rooms to avoid a cramped look. Test a small piece first to ensure it sticks but removes cleanly. Mix textures like fabric panels or faux wood strips for a designer feel. Cost comparison. Painting an accent wall can cost anywhere from $50 to $100 with supplies, and removable wallpaper or decals start around $30 to $60 for a full wall. And the best part is you can reuse or remove them without any damage. And there you have it, your weekend DIY accent wall is done. Totally renter-friendly and completely stunning. If you're ready to give your apartment a stylish upgrade without the stress, try one of these ideas this weekend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more creative DIY makeovers.